Welcome to International Armored Group stand at Indo Defence Expo 2016 in Jakarta, Indonesia. International Armored Group is a quality-conscious armored vehicle manufacturer with over 20-year experience specializing in the field of designing, engineering, prototyping and manufacturing of armored, commercial and tactical vehicles. IAG has earned its reputations as a leading manufacturer of armored vehicles. Today, vehicles bearing the IAG logo can be found in more than 50 countries in Africa, Middle East, Asia, Europe, and North America, with locations in the UAE, USA, Canada, Turkey, Bulgaria, Pakistan, Iraq, and South Africa. Our footprint is truly global, with the combined production capacity of 250 vehicles per month. IAG can meet both small and large scales order in short time frames. To meet the increasing demand for armored personnel carrier in this region for law enforcement agencies, special forces and police, IAG is showcasing our Jaws and Guardian APCs. The Jaws is a tactical vehicle specially designed and engineered to meet the requirement of high mobility, lightweight armored vehicles for military and law enforcement agencies worldwide. It is well suited for SWAT, patrol and escort missions. With a range of configuration available from right-hand drive, left-hand drive, petrol or diesel engines, manual or automatic transmission. The Jaws is one of the most versatile APC offered by IAG. Additionally, its level of protection can vary from CEN B4 NIJ Level 3A to CEN B7 NIJ Level 4 or STANIC Level 2. The Jaws can accommodate up to 8 fully geared personnel while providing ample room for weapons and ammunition storage. The Guardian is IAG flagship APC built on a Super Duty chassis offering high payload and available in 4x4 and 6x6 configuration. Its level of protection can go up to from the standard CEN B6 NIJ Level 3 to CEN B7 NIJ Level 4 50 cal as well as STANIC Level 3 with add-on armor. The Guardian APC is available in both low and high sulfur diesel version, making it deployable in countries where low quality diesel is prevalent. With seating capacity of 10 to 12 fully geared personnel, it is ideal for larger team. Some of the standard options available on our APC including 360-degree IR surveillance camera system, weapons and ammunition storage, roof escape hatch, rotating spotlight, retractable rear steps, high security door locking mechanism, tactical ladder system and much more. For more information on IAG and our vehicle range, please visit www.interarmored.com. Thank you.